Hi everyone, I am here to demonstrate my game, and this is Squid Game sliding puzzle game, which I created. Here we have three buttons, which is play, settings, and exit. If we click play, the settings panel will appear because we haven't entered a name yet, but if settings will also appear. So let's type in our name and see what will happen. If we click save, it will go to the scene 2, which is the where the dialogues are or where the explanation of the game happens. So here we have the recruiter, which recruits players at services level, which we'll be talk about later. We'll be talking about. And click next. The dialogue will change. This is the last dialogue. And if we click play, we are now in the scene 3, which shows the different levels or the different players which serves as the levels of the game. So if we click, so we have if we see these green circles, it means that that player is unlocked and we can play this puzzle. But if the circle is yellow, it is unlocked. If we click the lock players, the lock panel is will show and says that players locked so we cannot play till the previous puzzle is solved. If we click this, a map appears which is the scene 4 and the recruiter travels to a designated area where the player resides, and if we click the player and then a play button will appear and now we can play that level. So here I will show you the different um, endpoint. If the puzzle is solved, the puzzle solved panel will appear and will prompt the player or will ask the player to play again or exit or play the next level. So I will now show what will happen if we run out of time. If we run out of time, the times up panel will appear and that will ask the player to play again or exit the game. Now, the challenges that I have encountered was um, in the